Hello everyone, my name is Dan Berdonato. So I'm here to report you the number 2 of General Standard 4. So number 2, we have 3x squared minus 4y squared minus 6x minus 8y and minus 13 is equal to 0. So ang constant natin is negative 13. So dapat ililipat natin siya sa right side and then magiging positive 13 siya. So pag in-arrange na natin is 3x squared minus 6x minus 4y squared minus 8y equals to 13. So, yun guys, naging positive 13 na siya. And, so, na gagawin naman natin ay ipa-perfect trinomial naman natin siya. So, here yung 3, ibababa lang natin, and dapat, yung x squared ay may iwan sa loob. So, 3 divided by 3x squared is negative 2x, and then, plus, mag-iwan kayo ng underline dito. And then, same process sa kabila. Negative 4 divided by negative 4y squared is y squared. And then, negative 4 divided by negative 8y is positive 2y. So, bakit siya naging positive 2y? Because, negative divided by negative is positive. And then, plus, para makuha natin yung 1 dito, is 2, i-divide natin siya sa 2, and then, negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So, negative 1 squared is positive 1. Ganun din sa kabila. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 squared is equals to 1. And then, yung constant natin guys is ilalagay dito sa equal. And then, 13 plus 3 times 1 is 3. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So, 13 plus 3 is 16. Minus 4 is 12. So, ang susunod na gagawin naman natin ay isi-squared binomial naman natin siya. So, bring down 3. And then, yung nakuha natin dito guys is 1. Kasi dinivide natin siya sa 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, bakit naging x minus 1 siya? Since negative ang sign natin dito is, ayun din ang sign natin sa binomial. And then, sa kabila naman, negative 4, quantity y plus 1 squared. Bakit naging y plus 1? So, plus, 2, dinivide natin siya sa 2, so magiging positive 1. And then, kasi sign din dito ay positive. So, y plus 1 equals to 12. And then, ang next step naman natin ay, kailangan, yung 12 natin ay, yung constant natin ay dapat maging 1. So, 12 divided by 12 is 1. And then, ilo-lowest term naman natin ito. 3 divided by 12 is 4. And then, sa kabila naman, negative 4 divided by 12 is negative 3, right? So, yun. So, ang natira is x minus 1 squared and quantity y plus 1 squared is equals to 1. So, ito na ang standard form natin, guys. Quantity x minus 1 squared over 4 and minus quantity y plus 1 squared over 3 is equals to 1.